Hey guys, how's it going today? Making this video in regards to an interior LED lighting kit that we got courtesy of Big Shark LED. If you'd like to order your own LED interior lighting kit, you can visit BigsharkLED.ca to get your own. I'm going to be installing this on my vehicle today, just to show you the installation process and to show you the different effects this kit has. In your kit, you'll be receiving a remote that controls the different lighting, a DC 12 volt power source, and 4 6-inch LED strips with the receiver. And I'm going to show you how to do the installation. So here's the kit all unraveled. As you can see here, there's plenty of wire to go around. And this is divided into two different sections. One side you'll be using for the driver's side, and the other side you'll be using for the passenger side. This is the power source here, and there's a red button on the top that allows you to turn it on and off from here. On the remote itself also has a on and off power button, a dimmer switch so you can make it brighter or lighter. There's a flash option, strobe option. Not sure if you can see that. Let me try to focus this better. There's a flash option, strobe option, fade option, and a smooth option. And these are the variety of colors that you could choose from. Alright, just one more thing. Grab yourself a bottle of rubbing alcohol or even some alcohol wipes, a couple of cotton pads there, and once you figure out exactly where you want to hook up your lights, just go ahead and clean the area. Make sure there's no dirt, debris, or any kind of grease, because on the back of the LED light there is a double-sided tape they'll be using to secure the light. Alright, so here's the installation process, and I'm just going to show you what I'm doing here with my particular vehicle. So first, went ahead and plugged the DC power source into the cigarette lighter. I tested the lights to make sure they are working, and they are. I then ran the wire, or the controller, right on by the side of the seat here, just to get it out of the way. From there, I started tucking in the wire right under this trim here, and just sent it forward towards the, what you can see here is the brake pedal and gas pedal. I removed this trim under the dash. This is the gray trim that I removed. I also did the same thing on the other side. And I passed the lights through an opening here so that we could get the passenger side lights on the other side without having to cross the center console. I'm going to try and tuck in as much wiring as possible. I personally don't like to see any wires hanging, so I'm going to try to make this as clean as possible. And I'm going to show you the other side right now. So here we are on the passenger side. As you can see, these are the LED lights, and I have them again passed through an opening after I removed a lower cover here beneath the glove box. And this is the trim piece that I removed. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off this install, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright, so finished installing the LED dash kit, and this is on the driver's side. Hope you can see that there. And this is about all the wire that is exposed. I'm sure I could tuck that away somehow, but you can't really see it. And it's very similar on the other side. Show you that. Before we do that, I'm going to show you what I did in the back. on the back. You just put it on the rail behind the seat. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. There we go. And same thing on the passenger side. So about the only wire you're gonna really see is the power wire here that goes into your cigarette lighter. And on the passenger side, you can see the LED strip right there. Again, all the wires tucked, and there's nothing exposed. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the lights here and just give you a short demo. Here we go, and this is the end result. This is the back seats. I got it in the strobe function just so it could cycle through all the different colors. And this is the front.